allow daylight into the building, translucent polycarbonate roof sheets are a popular choice on farm buildings. These can be used in place of a fibre cement sheet following the same layout when installing, without the need for mitres thanks to the reduced thickness of the polycarbonate sheets in comparison to fibre cement. Translucent sheets should be fixed through every corrugation to the purlins using the same fixings that are used for fibre cement sheeting. They should be supported at each purlin position by fibre cement sheets or, for intermediary purlins, profiled filler blocks. The polycarbonate sheet fixing holes need to be pre-drilled to 11mm in diameter, ensuring only the roof light is pre-drilled and not the overlapping fibre cement sheet. The fixings can then pass through these pre-drilled holes directly into the fibre cement or filler blocks below, which should not be pre-drilled. Position the sheet above with the required overlap as usual, ensuring it is aligned using the gauge tool, and fix in the same way by pre-drilling the holes in the polycarbonate sheet. Doing it the way shown on screen, by first drilling the fixings into the fibre cement top sheet, allows you to match up the holes and fixings easily. Require stitching to the fibre cement sheets at 300 to 400mm centres using self-sealing fasteners with a synthetic rubber shank or seam bolts and washers with wide bearings. All recommendations supplied by the specialist translucent sheeting manufacturer should be carefully observed. The fixing recommendations will vary depending on the type, grade and supplier of the material being used. The polycarbonate sheets supplied by Euronit have the classifications shown here. Red sealing washers and caps should be used on all fixings in the translucent sheets to highlight the change in sheeting for health and safety purposes.